Is Damien Evans. Now, the end may be nigh for the COVID-19 pandemic if the antiviral pill developed by Merck, an American multinational pharmaceutical company, could treat COVID as seen in its initial clinical trial results. According to experts, this drug reduces chances of dying or getting hospitalized with severe COVID by half. Take a look.
Amid the biting effects of the pandemic could be a silver lining from the Merck-developed antiviral molnupiravir, initially developed for flu but now said to be effective against COVID-19. If it gets emergency use authorization, the drug would be the first oral antiviral medication for COVID-19, which can be taken in an outpatient setting, reaching more people faster.
The only antiviral medicine we have if you start getting sick is a monoclonal antibody treatment like the monoclonal from Regeneron. And that's a big deal because it requires you to go to an infusion center and also requires you to get an intravenous application of the medicine. So you have to go to an infusion center and get an IV to get it.
According to scientists, the antiviral pill, which is a dose of 2 pills for 5 days, stops the replication process by introducing messenger ribonucleic acid, mRNA, into the virus genome as it multiplies, which creates numerous mutations, disrupts replications, and kills the virus.
mRNA vaccines are difficult to make, even if you have the method for making it. It'll take years to learn how to scale up production of mRNA vaccines and do it under quality control, quality assurance. But there's a lot of drug production capacity in low and middle income countries.
The drug is said to have higher survival rates as there were no deaths reported for those who used it in the clinical trials.
The data are impressive. There was a 50% diminution. Of importance is that in the placebo group there were 8 deaths and in the treatment group there were no deaths. That's also very important and very good news.
Scientists, however, say that this is an additional tool in the toolkit in fighting COVID-19, where vaccinations still remain crucial.
This medicine is independent of getting vaccinated. Whether or not you wind up taking this medicine for whatever reason, you should still get vaccinated because that's the best way to prevent you from getting sick. And so the most direct and assured way that you have to keep yourself and your loved ones out of the hospital or go to the ICU is to get them vaccinated.
If approved, the pill will become available in the US and is expected to be available in the market by late this year.
Great. I want us to have a conversation with our health editor, Dr.